Welcome to the all-new series, Broken Arrow Behind the Scenes. I'm Madison Dilldine. This monthly series will bring you all the content of all the things happening across the Broken Arrow Public Schools district. I'm here with the 3rd grade Gold Tiger Cheer at the 2022 Homecoming Parade. Are you guys ready for the parade? Yeah! Check out the highlights from this year's homecoming festivities, and we'll be right back with more BA Behind the Scenes.
Ladies and gentlemen, your 2022 Homecoming King and Queen are Striker Moon and JC Cook. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for your 2022 Homecoming King and Queen and your court.
Hey Broken Arrow, I'm Madison Dilldine alongside Broken Arrow Public Schools Foundation board member Kevin Moberg, and we're here at the club at Forest Ridge going to give you some insight into the 21st annual Broken Arrow Public Schools Foundation Golf Tournament. You ready?
Absolutely.
Let's do it. Kevin, when is the 21st annual golf tournament?
It'll be Monday, November 7th.
Where will it be held?
It'll be held out here at the club at Forest Ridge.
What time do people tee off at?
So shotgun start will be at 8:30, and then we'll have registration an hour before, starting at 7:30 in the morning.
Are there sponsorship opportunities available?
Yes, we actually have multiple opportunities available, ranging between $5,000 to $100.
Can Tiger fans register as an unsponsored team or even individually?
Yes, you can. There are 2 opportunities there. $600 could cover a foursome, or you can sign up individually for $150.
I'm now joined alongside President of the Foundation, Frankie Catlett. Frankie, how does this tournament impact the Foundation as well as Broken Arrow Public Schools?
Well, it's our longest running fundraiser that we've had here at Broken Arrow Public Schools Foundation, and we're so proud to be able to do the 21st year of it. It touches so many aspects of Broken Arrow Public Schools. It helps us sponsor Teacher of the Year, teacher grants, Read to Succeed program, and many other aspects that we get to go to help enhance the student in the classroom. That's our main goal, is to make sure students are succeeding in the classroom at Broken Arrow Public Schools.
That's awesome. Where can fans find out more information or register?
They can just go to Broken Arrow Public Schools Foundation. So you go to the website, it's bapsfoundation.org, to find out more information about the golf tournament.
Thank you again so much for joining me, Kevin and Frankie. Once again, you can find all that information online at bapsfoundation.org. Madison Dilldine alongside Mike Leitch in what will be the Student Event Center parking lot. Mike, we broke ground on the Student Event Center back in June. Talk to me about the facility as a whole and the timeline.
So the Student Event Center will be a 114,000 square foot arena with seating for about 4,000. Cheer, wrestling, and volleyball will all have homes in the event center. And other student groups will be able to use it, such as 8th grade choir recital or a band concert or maybe a 9th grade dance. And the community will have an opportunity to lease the space as well.
What are some of the facility's highlights?
One of the biggest highlights is once it's completed, it'll be the largest high school wrestling venue in the world. And also it is the largest single construction project in BA Schools history.
Wow, that's awesome. What's the timeline looking like for the completion of the Student Event Center?
It's scheduled for completion in February of 2024.
That sounds awesome. Let's head to maintenance for a district update with Roger Shepard. We're now here at the maintenance department, joined alongside Director of Maintenance, Roger Shepard. Roger, your guys do so much throughout the summer to get things ready heading into a new school year. Talk to me about some of the big projects that they took on.
Yes, some of the big projects we did this summer were the new daycare center that we worked through and got ready, helped to get ready for the start of school this year, helping our teachers out with their children. We worked through 200 classrooms being painted. We also worked with the ECCs and their playgrounds, getting some sensory equipment ready for the small children, the pre-K children. We also were involved in repairing HVAC equipment, working with irrigation equipment, irrigation systems, our grass, lawns, turf, our trees being trimmed, and just taking care of the exterior of our buildings. We resurfaced pavement, striped, painted fire lines. We also worked in the virtual academy, remodeled classrooms there. We got 4 new office areas ready, and a counselor's area ready. And we're also remodeling the media center for the Chromebook usage in the virtual academy for Brandon Chetty.
Most of what you guys do is behind the scenes, so walk me through kind of the makeup of the maintenance department and what all you have to do to keep things going for the district.
Yes, that's a good question. So we have 36 people in the maintenance department. We work 2 shifts, so we have people here from 4:30 in the morning till 11 o'clock every night, Monday through Friday. We've got 6 full-time painters. We have 6 HVAC and refrigeration technicians. We take care of 26 cafeterias. We take care of about 1,900 air conditioning and heating systems. We have 2 full-time plumbers, 3 electricians. We have 2 fire alarm technicians, and we also have a handful of construction and general maintenance technicians that take care of all of our grounds, playgrounds, fences, concrete, and the list just goes on and on and on. Never a dull moment in the maintenance department.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining me, Roger. Now let's head to Oak Crest Elementary for another school spotlight.
Hey guys, my name's Peyton. I'm a 5th grader here and I'm with Casey. And what grade are you in? Are you in kindergarten? Yeah, and we are going to talk about Oak Crest. Last night we finished our family fun night under the sea, and Casey, I heard you went. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Cheese pizza. That's yummy. After fall break, we have Red Ribbon Week. Do you know what that is, Casey?
Kind of, but not really.
Okay, so we're gonna have like dress up week. You get to wear your sports gear. So what are you gonna dress up for Halloween?
Miles.
Miles? So you can come dress up as Miles, did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool, right? Casey, do you follow Oak Crest on Facebook?
Yeah.
You do? You have Facebook?
Wait, actually I don't.
You don't? Okay. Thanks, guys, for coming to Oak Crest and checking us out.
And
Bye.
I don't know what that means.
You don't know what that means?
I don't.
No.
At all.
I'm sure your mom does.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Because some people don't really know everything.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
Hey guys, welcome to Sequoia Middle School. I'm Piper.
And I'm Victoria.
Victoria, can you believe it's already been a month at school?
I know, it's so crazy, but I'm so excited for the Halloween dance.
Sam, I can't wait to dress up. It's on October 27th.
Anyways, as you can see, we are currently in the Vibe Room.
The Vibe is our broadcasting channel at Sequoia Middle School. Make sure to go check us out on YouTube and on Instagram at the SMS Vibe.
Well, thanks so much for tuning in.
Bye guys!
Hey Tigers, welcome to BAFA. I'm Jaden.
And I'm Ben.
We have a lot here going on at BAFA, so we'll give you guys a little rundown.
We also recently just started our CPR training and we just finished our PSAT testing.
Oh, don't forget, Ben, about yearbooks.
Oh, tell me about them.
Okay, yearbooks can be purchased in Mr. St. John's room or in the link down below.
Thanks for stopping by Broken Arrow Freshman Academy.
Don't forget to follow our Instagram at BAFA Tigers.
And make sure to catch our first Wake Up BAFA.
Bye guys!
I feel like Arrowhead has a great partnership with our PTA.
Every year we pick a new theme, and this year's theme is We Are Wild About Reading.
Anything that I can do to motivate students to read, and I just thought that taking pies in the face, or I would have done anything to get kids to read. I was offered goggles, but I declined, and I had whipped cream in my eyes, but the looks on the kids' faces, they were laughing, they were smiling, and I hope that that energy continues.
Our main goal is to encourage reading and fundraising for our school. And so we thought we'd just take it up a little bit a notch this year. So for every classroom who raised $500, got to pie one of our PTA board members in the face, and any classroom that raised $1,000 got to pie our principal, Miss Kula, in the face. After the first pie, we couldn't see a thing, so we didn't know who was pieing us or what. It was just fun chaos.
We are models for the kids, for reading, for math, for all of it, and if we are having fun with it, then they will have fun as well and be engaged to learn.
That's a wrap for this year's first episode of BA Behind the Scenes. We enjoyed the parade and hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure you're following at BA Schools and at ArrowVision BA on all social media platforms to stay up to date within the district.
It's gonna be a show, and you're gonna be on TV, and you're gonna be like, that's me, I know him. Did you hear that?